I am Sai Krishna from 8th.
Sivabalam from 8th. Our topic name was cleaning methods of oil spill in the ocean.
Today we are going to talk about skimmer. Skimmer is a device which is used from shore to shore and vessels to vessels, and it can separate the water and the oil. Burning is a method which we can clean the ocean, and when the oil is above the water, we can burn the oil for use for cleaning the ocean.
To, Today we going to do the activity of skimmers. First of all, like this, they will take a bunch of cotton necklace and they will paste some balloons on that. Then they will separate the oils on one place, and they will take the net and they will filter the oil from the ocean, and they will separate the oil from the ocean and use for this house use and all.
Thank you.